Governor Jaykumar Vallana luchingduna war hero Padma Shri Major Bob Khathing Ralengnao bu ningsingduna ikai khumnaba utkre. Governor Vallana Major Bob Khathing bo Manipur khaktagi natana North East ki chauthok chaningai oiba misakamani haina singthabaga loinana Major Bob ki punsi warina haugalakliba naha kaya amade lamjing oiri haike IGR South ki mitheng makhada laikhidraba Major Bob Khathing gi emong manungi miyoi singna senduna Manipuri Valley View da pangthokiba thoramda Governor Vallana First Lady Jyoti Bhala ICR South ki IG Major General Gaurav Sharma 57 Mountain Division ki Commander Subankar Vasu Major Bob Khathing ki machanupa Hal John SR Khathing Assam Rifles ki makok thongba officer masingna Major Bob ki ningsing khubam da laikatun ikai khumna udkhe thoramaduga mari laina Governor Vallana ukrul da pokhiba Major Bob asi Manipur gi chauthok chaningai oiraba machani Oja ama oina soldier ama oina administrator ama diplomat ama oina singthaningai oiba achievement fangkiba luchingba amane kumja English singa Yankai Mathoi the Lake Hidraba Major Asina, Luchingba Assam Rifles ki apikpati Mumana Arunachal Pradesh ki Tawangbo Khatnaba Amata Yaudana Indian Administration ki Makhada Purakibani Haina Awang Bathakta Singthake Amaromda Nation Building Asi Chathaduna Lairagada Bat Thabak Thauram Amadi Amani haiba wafam governor thamladuna education public service governance fagatna ba amade community singi marakta afaba mari sagatna ba lepa laitana hotnagadabani haike thoramadugi manung channa meritorious students sing okpaga loinana Major Bob ki punsi da yumfam oiba ani suba edition gi coffee table book amaso fongke.
Major Khathing's life reminds us that nation building is not the work of a single moment or a single role. It's the result of consistent effort in education, in public service, in governance, and in building bridges between communities. The future of our nation will be shaped not only by great leaders, but by young people who are committed to peace, development, and the progress of society. Manipur has witnessed challenges and complexities over the years, but the life of Major Bob Khathing reminds us that our strength lies in unity, in dialogue, and in working together to build a peaceful and prosperous future. His example teaches us that true leadership is not measured only by position or power, but by ability to serve the integrity, humility, and vision.